Hey everyone, I'm here today to talk about something super important: how to survive a hurricane. These monstrous storms can pop up quickly and be devastating, so being prepared is crucial. First things first, let's talk about your hurricane survival kit. This isn't your everyday emergency kit. It needs some specific items. Make sure you have plenty of fresh water, non-perishable food, flashlights, extra batteries, a first aid kit, and don't forget medications that you or your family might need. An emergency radio can be a lifesaver to stay updated with the latest weather alerts. Now on to the do's and don'ts during a hurricane. Do stay indoors away from windows, glass doors, and skylights. These can break easily under the force of hurricane winds. Don't go outside. The calm eye of the storm can pass quickly, leaving you vulnerable to sudden winds. If you're told to evacuate, do so immediately. Waiting can be dangerous. Identifying a safe place in your home is critical. A small windowless interior room or hallway on the lowest floor that is not prone to flooding is ideal. This could be a closet, a bathroom, or even under the staircase. Make sure everyone in the family knows where this safe spot is. Communication during a hurricane is vital. Ensure your cell phone is fully charged and you have backup power sources. Have a list of emergency contacts, including local emergency management agencies, readily available. It's also wise to establish an out-of-town contact who can help coordinate information among separated family members. Remember, preparation doesn't stop at home. Check your insurance policies to ensure they cover hurricane damage and flooding, something often overlooked until it's too late. Take pictures or videos of your home and valuables for insurance claims post-storm. In the event of a hurricane, knowledge is as crucial as your supplies. Follow updates from trusted sources like the National Hurricane Center or your local news. Understanding a hurricane's path and predicted strength can help you make informed decisions quickly. Lastly, let's not forget, if you find this information helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more life-saving tips. Your support helps us bring more essential safety guides like this one. Stay safe, stay prepared, and thanks for watching. Remember, being prepared today can save lives tomorrow.